Hi, my name is Abhiyanshu Rao and let's start the video. If you are a Netgear router user, you may have encountered the error message, an unexpected error has occurred Netge 1000 at some point. This error message can be frustrating as it can disrupt your internet connection and prevent you from accessing your router settings. There are several reasons why this error message may appear. Firstly, it may be due to outdated or corrupt firmware on your router. To fix the issue, log into your router's administration panel and check for any firmware updates. If there are updates available, install them to ensure that your router's firmware is up to date. Another reason why this error message may appear is due to a configuration issue. If your router settings are not configured properly, it may cause this error message to appear. If you encounter an unexpected error has occurred Netge 1000 error message, there are several solutions that you can try to fix the issue. Firstly, try restarting your router. This is a simple solution that may help fix the issue, especially if it is a temporary glitch. Another solution is to perform a factory reset on your router. This will erase all your router settings and configurations and restore it to its default settings. To perform a factory reset, press and hold the reset button on the back of your router for about 10 seconds. Once your router restarts, log into your router's administration panel and reconfigure your router settings. Finally, the issue may be related to the hardware of your router. If there is a problem with your hardware, it may cause this error message to appear. Inspect your router for any visible damage or signs of wear and tear. If none of the solutions work, you can try contacting Netgear's technical support team. They can provide you with further assistance and may be able to help you fix the issue. In conclusion, encountering an unexpected error has occurred Netge 1000 error message can be frustrating, but there are several solutions that you can try to fix the issue. Ensure that your router's firmware is up to date and your router settings are configured properly. Try restarting your router or performing a factory reset. If all else fails, contact Netgear's technical support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.